So yes, King, here we are. Yes, Dublin Castle, Mystikal Thiedos sound play with Channel 1 sound. So here are the brethrens right there. So brethrens, could you tell us a bit about your work and all the vocals and all things that you're doing around you?
Well, what we're doing is try to spread the word and the sound and the power of Rastafari, and that's the first and foremost. And the works of sound system, where it's been very difficult throughout the years. But you can see sound system is now spreading. Sound system is spreading quite a bit, and to the works of Ryan and also to Rastafari, you know, we can see the progress, and we can see the works, but where it's coming. So, you know, we've been doing it since 1979, and so from 1979 years, about 30 odd years. And so with all the other music, all the other music, what's been hitting at the top and getting the money to filter into all this other music, Channel 1 and sound system is always been there on the underground, and now we can see the progress of the work that we've been doing since day one. What
drives you at first into the reggae movement?
What drives me into the reggae movement? Well, what drives me into the reggae movement is Rastafari, you see, and the thing is, each one teach one, you know. That is the main, each one teach one, and if I can teach somebody else to do what we can do, and then don't forget, we won't be here forever. And the works have to carry on after me gone. And they say, so if I can teach one, somebody else to do the works what we do, that is progress.
And how is your reaction every time and ever since that people coming up to your sound system and all join the vibes? How do you feel when you see the reaction of the crowd?
Every time it always feels good, because you know, say you've earned your keeps. You see, that's something that where you just do headstrong and just go into it, you know, and you have to go into this thing artically. Whatever. When you really go into it strongly, then people will see. Because people are not idiots, you know. People will see what you do. And then say if you're some head top, strong dread or whatever, and don't see the right movement, they will know that. But as them see Channel 1 as a sound who don't boast and we don't brag about the things, then people will look upon it and say, yes, that is a song that's doing good works. And we keep quiet, we just keep quiet, and we just carry on with the works. Not to shout high about it.
Yes, sir. Just one more question about, you know, because now today we're meeting up Mystikal Thiedos and Channel 1. What do you think about the work that we're doing together?
Well,
the work that we're doing together, I could say it's a spiritual work for His Majesty, yeah. And you see, when one and one they could come together and work together, and showing with the strength that His Majesty give unto all of it, right? Because you see, His Majesty's word, His Majesty's music, His food, right? And you see, all the way His family. I meet you today, I meet the eye today, I meet the eye today, I meet the eye today. We're all a one family, and that's how it is to just come together and work.
The thing is, because we start all with me today, and if the work is going to progress, we come underneath one banner. The Channel 1 is high up there or whatever, and the sound is down there, so whatever. The whole of it is up on the same level playing ground. And that's where so as far as we see where Channel 1 sound system come to Senegal, if we just open up another chapter in Channel 1.
Yes. Well, just one more question about the new generation. What message would you give to them for them to get a bit of guidance in that life today?
Well, the new message, there's no new message. The message that's from creation, right down to the right? Only man try to change the message, but the message from the Almighty is done forever, from the beginning all the way to the end. So that's
it's right. Give thanks to us. Give thanks to us.